And we are live. Hangouts on Air is being
Right.
discontinued August 1. For quick streaming, try youtube.com webcam. And now we have a week.
Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do next week though. Let's see.
Hello?
Let me show you my screen. Yep, I hear
Hello?
you. So yeah, the problem having was
Hello?
yeah. Hello?
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so the problem was right here where we were actually mounting when we can use so when we did the mount did it within a browser because a browser router because that was the only way to actually the layout wrap in the starting at the browser router. So we were setting the state browser router to true and not the state of the layout container.
Let me restart my router. I think it's. Let me just restart my router. Just a minute.
Okay.
Hello? Hi, Dan.
Better?
Hello?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure if it's but yeah, so I the the by changing the route wrapper so of mount and that just fixed everything.
Like you just commented.
So I actually just wasn't here. If you can go to yours, I'll
Okay.
actually It would be easier that.
Okay, let me just git checkout, or maybe git branch. Git checkout.
There's a 329 with the branch.
329. Okay. I'm not sharing my screen.
No.
Let me. And I can close everything else.
I saw that there shortly.
Oh man. So am I not able to? Yeah, maybe I should just delete everything. And then now, you're saying I should look for
layout.test.js.
Yeah. Okay, layout test.js.
Okay, yeah. So in that test, after the mount statement, do a console of layout wrapper.debug.
Console.log. Debug, and then I do yarn test just dash watch. So this is layout.test.js. Okay, maybe I need to do, and then copy this.
Yep. Okay. And then if you go.
Sorry, I think I lost you. Yeah, at the top. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah. So if you look at that debug statement, see what kind of component it's a browser router, and then with a child component of browser history or router history.
Yeah.
Or router. Yes. So child component is router, and then the second child or second ancestor or not descendant or whatever is a layout of component.
Yeah.
But what we want to change the state of, but what we actually are changing the state of is the browser router. So if you go back to the test, you see that layout wrapper is actually a browser router. It's not a layout. Yeah, so
And
and then for the mount, you have to change it to shallow because otherwise you're going to need the browser router because there's nav links like nested within that. But then since that's in the before statement, so you can actually just delete that whole line. Like if you look in the before each statement, the layout wrapper, yeah, it's the same thing. It's in the before each, there's like good. One of the last couple methods.
yeah, I think I lost you again. So in the before each statement we have this shallow, and
Yep.
in the shallow it does disable lifecycle methods equals true.
We want disable. We want to remove that so that we get all the lifecycle methods with the component.
Okay. So are we good with this?
Disable lifecycle methods.
I remove this. Wow, my internet is so bad, you know. My internet is so bad. Let me see if this guy. Just a minute.
George has got a medal. Oh dear, George is
Hey.
Yep.
Yeah, so you're saying we don't need these disable lifecycle methods?
No, we don't need it.
Why did we add it?
No. Well, I think we'll find out once you remove it. There will be we can fix it through a different way. Yeah, try that on. Okay.
So it says method simulate is meant to be run on one node 0 found instead.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, that's another thing. Instead of using simulate, hold on.
Yeah. Instead
The
of doing
simulate,
simulate, you did something else?
the problem is simulate won't work. That enzyme simulate.
Okay.
Let me show you the. I looked it up and found this article about it. I'll link it in the chat.
Okay.
Yeah, that one. So yeah, it says that you can't use simulate to test it
Okay.
because it's like using because it uses I guess like enzyme uses React synthetic events instead of like their
JavaScript. Okay.
so because of that and it gives you like a little code snippet to stimulate, and so I just added that in that.
So you created this map thing?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I put that in the before each.
Okay.
Like right at the top of the before each. Yeah. Before the layout wrapper. And, yep.
So you called this an event map?
Yeah.
And
I changed the name of it, but it doesn't really matter either.
so
Oh,
so what's the callback here?
so the call, whatever is going to be linked to
Called.
the to the event. So if you look in the layout.js, the callbacks are like whatever the event listener is setting to the add event listener is the callback. So click outside.
Okay. Do I need to do this?
No. CB.
So the event here should be mouse up.
Instead of adding the event listener, it just makes text and it adds a property, a mouse up property with the of the event listener.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to do this. No, what did I do?
I think you put the handle click outside and just do controls.
Yeah, I was just setting I want to share this with you. Oh shit. Thought I started a collaboration session. Yeah, so you should get in here and join the party. So so I don't have to call this as that.
Fanya vibaya. Kula alafu si pia sasa tukule. Ndio pesa hiyo. Tobe. Ai sei.
Done.
I can't connect to your session.
Oh, okay. Do I disconnect and do another? I think I'm
Okay.
having internet problems.
Yeah, just
You're in?
it's
Let me just cancel this and start another. Ah, you just joined and then I canceled.
Kuja mama. Katunga.
Yeah, I shared another.
Kuja mama. Papa rudi makibita minje mati. Mimi na mimi.
oh
Laila kuja.
Oh, you hadn't seen it?
trying to join.
Come. Wewe umebaki.
Okay.
Laila.
So this event, let me just read this a bit. As we continue, hence we can start window at event listener such that when it will create pending between the name and callback. At this point, component mount. Key enter. Okay, now I need to have this down here. Instead of yeah, I think I need to take this guy outside so that I'm able to access it from wherever.
Yeah, I would use a let.
Yeah, and then why are you doing an error here? Yeah, this was what we removed earlier. Huh. And I'm also going to remove this object thing.
Yeah.
Kanisa la kuingia
Looks
nyama.
like it.
Sasa kuingia forever.
We can remove
And
that.
then, yeah. Hello.
Yep.
Yeah. So where are you? You're right here. And
Yeah.
then I should remove this as well, right?
Yes. And then for the, instead of event.keyUp, it should be mouse up.
Yeah. Mouse up.
And then remove the object inside the parentheses.
Ni nyama.
Okay.
That part, yeah.
Ndio nalo shamaliza. Wewe ndio mbaki.
Okay.
Kuja.
Should be good enough. We don't need the update either.
Okay. I'm seeing some errors, but okay, let's see.
Kaida gigi uga jogo wa. Eh.
Code component will unmount on an unmount.
Yeah. So that's because this remove event listener should be,
Hakuna mtu anakuona.
document. We need to act in the before each. We need to make a mock for this remove event listener, and it should be document.remove event listener instead of just
That's in the before each.
yeah. Before each, we just make another mock.
For like such a mock.
Yep.
Remove event listener. This is an event.
And then we can get rid of all this stuff inside the. It's just got a regular mock. So
Okay. Yeah, I see you refactored this to be just the CB thing.
yes, CB. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay. And then
Mock function to have been called one time, but it was called 0 times.
yeah. Okay. And the reason for that is because we mocked window.add event listener, but document. Because if you look in the layout.js, it's document.
Okay. Yeah, I think we clashed.
Oops.
Oh shit. Go ahead.
All right.
Yep. Looks good. Now the mouse up thing passes, but the call
Okay.
component, so volume must mock function or spy received.
And what is that for?
The document the
Remove event listener. Yeah. So also do documents dot remove event listener there.
Lyra.
What?
In the expect needs to have document.
Ah, okay.
Mnyama.
Wow. Oh my God. What just happened?
Yep.
What just happened there?
Mnyama.
That's it.
Ah, nice. So this document should be my best friend. So
Yeah.
testing global event listener with the React component. I think this is what I did not like. Even in our earlier searches,
The
we were just seeing how to mock the document, just
Lyra. Come.
and not really how to mock the event listener. We are more concerned with the document. Nice. All right, so let me run the coverage. Test coverage.
Lyra kuja.
So we still have line 19,
line
not
19.
tested.
Lyra is number 1.
Yeah,
Wewe ni number last.
line 19 still not tested. Let's see what's on line 19.
Come, mama.
Layout the test. So
Handle click outside. Oh. Tested. Oh, right.
Nakupa.
Not tested.
Nyala.
so did we set it to true? Mobile
It should be
menu.
tested. If you look in the line 40, yeah, line 43.
Ndio mama.
Line 43 of the
Test. Yeah, but then I think we are not testing we are only testing the else of when the mouse up happens and we expect it to be false. And we are not testing like the moment this is false. Like this is true.
We
Like
said it. Yeah.
we are just setting it to true, and then doing a mouse up and testing if the mouse up sets the state to false. But we are not testing whatever turns it back to true.
What?
Okay, so like in an if else statement, in an if statement, there's the true case and the false case, right? Like when our state is true, we don't have an expect.
Post pass or
I think we should have a situation that makes it or is it so when the document loads? At what point is at what point does the mobile menu state become true?
I cut out.
Yeah, I'm just asking. Hello?
Yep.
At what point does the mobile menu state become true? Without us just setting it like we did here.
Have that in a previous test where
Yeah.
the test on line 20.
Just a minute. I deal with this guy. I'm back then. So, hello.
Yep.
Maybe I need to reset my router again. Hello.
Hear you. Hello. Can you hear?
Yeah, but it's breaking. Yeah. I think maybe I need to get a solution for this. Just a minute.
Dog likes being a pirate. Everyone likes being a pirate. Danny has found a diamond. Emma has found a shell. Susie has found a gold bit of fruit. Freddie has found a lizard. Pedro almost takes his
Just a moment.
Okay.
Yeah, but now I think I can hear you right. I'm trying to check if my phone has internet so I can switch to my phone. Because I think the router is so. Yeah, I think maybe we just proceed. This may take a while. Yeah, so done.
Yep.
Yeah, so I think what I was saying was that we are not testing the case where we are not testing the case where the
Right.
wrapper
Yeah.
is true.
We're
Yeah.
not testing one through the if statement, but just try it again. I just changed. No, it should be both.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's gone. What did you change?
So if you just do the same expectation before you set it to true, then it reset the mobile menu to true here with the set state, then it's false. So both before and after the set, and that'll test both paths.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, that's touch of genius. Yeah, so maybe so here we resolve. So we test JavaScript. For test event key changes. Then yeah, seems like we are taking the coverage to 100%. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, but I don't know why when it goes up there, it goes down to 80%. Or maybe it's because of the Cypress tests. I don't know.
The Cypress
And
test?
then I'm not sure. So git develop. Yeah, so I think the other thing that's not tested could be,
What was the other thing?
yeah, and test contact form. Yeah, and that's it. So
Contact form.
VCO develop GVCO git pull action develop. You don't want to drive on this?
Shika food. Kula.
Check out dash P.
Water. Mami.
Contact form.
Water.
Nimalize kwanza ndio uweke jana.
Hello?
Hello, I think you dropped.
Yeah, I think it's my connection.
Okay. So I checked, but I didn't find an issue for the contact form. So I was just creating that. Shows that contact form is not 100% tested. To coverage to 100%. So this is test. Test
Nimeweka tu ya
Oh.
Current behavior.
Kisha takupatia.
Currently, the contact form is
Kisha takupatia hiyo. Shika.
95% tested. Possible solution. I think I'll not add this and context either. Environment. So I'll submit new issue. So that line number 41. Contact form.
1, 3.
Yeah, this guy is not tested.
6,
On submit.
7,
Okay.
9.
Yeah, but I think that's tested when you click the submit button.
10.
Maybe I just create a branch first before I start. CEO dash B. So this is yeah, maybe it's too late, but I was asking if you do not want to drive on this. I think.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can drive on it.
All right.
So you can drive on this.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, nice. Let me just send the issue.
Or internet issues. Maybe. Can you still hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Just
Yeah.
not fully.
Yeah, I think it's both on our sides, but I think it's more on my side.
Yeah, but yeah, I can't even pull from up.
You can't pull? Oh wow. Yeah, I never saw that stuck.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Welcome to Kenya. Yeah. So Federico has this thing with this ISP such that every day we meet, and the guys normally do restart the internet, I think every 4 a.m. his time. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, so when Federico told me that he loses internet every 4 a.m., I couldn't believe him. But it keeps happening every day. So I was like, man, I thought you were in the US. Yeah.
You shouldn't be trying to do anything though.
Yeah. Yeah. I thought you're the guys who shoot Iranian drones. So how can you not have internet?
All right. Check out. Ah. So it's 40 the west. 41.
41.
41. Okay. Submit.
Yeah, so I was thinking maybe the easiest way to test it is when we click the submit button. I don't know whether in the test we are already clicking the submit button, and now we can check we can check maybe whichever function is called when we click on it. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm sort of feeling that we are already doing that. So let me just check. Zero one knapsack. Contact form.
Malaya, ilwanyo linade. What's it?
Feels like we are just working on this like a couple weeks.
Yeah, we just worked on it a couple weeks ago. Oh yeah, and I think it was merged. I think it was merged recently, right?
Huh?
Yeah. So is there a place we are simulating click?
So what? All we want to do is just on submit is called whenever
Or maybe it's never even called. So on submit equals form values, this the prop that on submit.
to mark this dot props dot on submit and then just got called.
Yeah, but also this is the part of Redux form that we are not supposed to test because Redux form already tests that.
Well, we're not testing just our test right here. We would just be mocking this, and then I don't know.
Yeah, that sounds right.
There's any point to it though, really? Just stop browsing. I don't know why. Where's this dot on submit called?
It's called by, I think at the bottom of the page when you're submitting your Redux form. No, I don't think that's it.
Here's on submit. That's probably,
yeah. I think it's just sent to Redux as a
sent to Redux.
like Redux handles the form or is it called in the parent?
That's what I was wondering if it's called in the. Where's the contact form? What's the parent of form? Is it contacts? Yeah, here it is. But there's no. Yeah, it's not called in the parent. Where's this? From the this dot props dot handle submit is. Where's handle submit coming from?
Or maybe it's not being used yet because the form is not being submitted yet. Because should there be a Redux action for the submit?
Let's see. And I forgot. So I think that this connecting it to Redux form is this handle submit from. Let me see.
Yeah, let me see the Stephen Grader ones.
Redux form. form, the handle submit is fired from the form from within the form component. If you do not specify it as a prop here, you must pass it as a parameter to submit inside your form component.
So that means we are not using it.
We're not using.
Don't submit because you've said that we must pass it as a prop, like
It's
the
not.
function called.
It's yeah. So it's not down here, and we didn't put it down here. So that means.
Oh yeah.
That means
So
we need to pass it as a parameter to handle submit inside the form component. So inside. We need to pass it as a parameter. But it's not passed as a parameter to handle submit.
but you have this dot prop handle submit.
Let's take a look at handle submit.
It's just
That's going to be in props.
maybe it's just the wording.
A function needs to be passed to form on handle submit. It will run both sync and async if the form is valid. Is valid, it will call this dot props dot on submit data. Optionally, you may also function choose a handle submit, which will take the place of the on submit prop. Let's try this. That passes. We go here. Either, okay, this is why. You must either pass handle submit an function or pass on submit as a prop. I don't know, man.
Yeah. Maybe we can.
Yep. Oops.
Yeah, because I've seen the same code in my Steven Grider
Yeah.
thing, but wherever it's called, I don't know. Or maybe having this as on submit at the same time with the prop as on submit. Maybe that makes it a convention or something. So the prop data submit form values, because this I'm sure this is what takes line 26 is what takes our stuff to like the current state to Redux to Redux form, so that Redux knows the state of each and every form value.
Which one?
So maybe it's something also that we are not supposed. I'm not sure, but maybe we need to research more.
Well, an error if in the like all the tests are passing, you just wasn't this working before? And there's no valid error messages.
That's because you've commented there. Yeah, so there's that the JavaScript error on console. We did not have those, right?
I think that this should be in the Steven Grider one part. Isn't this on submit right here? This dot on submit.
Actually, yes.
It is? Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So when you call handle submit,
Fix the error.
yeah, that fixes the error.
No. This dot props dot on submit is not a function.
Yeah, I think that's because we don't have an action to handle that. No?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no communication with the back end and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So I don't know whether I expect it not to error, being that we are calling an on submit on something that doesn't exist.
So then in that case, I mean, like, I don't know. We need to make the action. and do the full thing. Like we could implement this on, and then
Yeah, probably that's something we can do.
or we could just comment out the answer. Like
Yeah, but it won't. Commenting it out won't pass our like our linter. So maybe we just leave it on with the low coverage, and
Yeah.
then create a ticket for that.
Okay.
Create a
Yeah.
ticket to submit, to create a form submit, a contact form submit action. Yeah, and maybe just comment that we need to have an action for that.
I think, I don't know. Need some. Yeah, we'll figure out what we need to do with this. And really, I think we should just move on to action and setting up whatever is going to happen with it.
Yeah, I think that's what we should do. Because while we do that, I think we'll cover that test that's not covered.
So we'll just leave it as it is right now.
Yeah,
because it's already.
Looks like the right call.
All right.
So
have you heard anything from Federico?
On the back end?
Yeah, on the back end or the thing, really?
No, I think we just have to take ownership the same way we did with the front end.
Okay.
Yeah, because they're taking too long to respond, and
are you doing stuff in the morning on the back end? Is it just...
Yeah, I think this week I've been really covered with the data structure stuff.
Yeah.
Because the thing is happening on Wednesday.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm spending every little minute I have on it. So
an interview? Or the...
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, probably after Thursday I'll be a little bit more free, and it's a shame that Alexa will be on Wednesday, so I won't do anything. But I think next weekend maybe we can plan something early.
Yeah, I mean,
yeah.
I'll have a problem doing early Saturday, but like maybe on Sunday. I don't know if you want to data structures on that time.
Yeah, but we can do we can find a time that works and maybe start alternating on that. Like we don't have to do both at the same time, but we can just get started with something and then. What time do you think will be good for you on Sunday?
Oh, do you want? So I could do either. We could do an earlier and then do a break in between, but it doesn't matter to me as long as I know what to plan for. So whatever's best for you is fine.
Yeah, I think I lost you while you are saying the time. So
I mean,
yeah, I think for me, I think Sunday I would like earlier, maybe 2 hours before the weekend collab.
Yeah.
So that will be 3 p.m. 3 p.m. UTC, or maybe 2 p.m. Whatever works.
Yeah, 3 p.m. Yeah, let's do, and then we'll do it on Sunday. So I mean, like, next Saturday or whatever, we can firm up the plan. Or yeah, I think for right now, 3 p.m. sounds good.
Yeah, and also we'll be having hangouts for the last time next weekend. So let's use it. Yeah. So yeah. Do we call it a day for today?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. That means see you next week then.
Alrighty. Well, good luck
Yeah.
on the data structures.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. Whatever happens, I'll give it my best.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks.
Alrighty. Talk to you later.
All right. Bye.
Bye.